Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a Twitter and Xstore. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro Dollar for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us. And as you can clearly see that our expectation of market breaking the support worked perfectly yesterday. We got a selling opportunity and right now we can see that market is standing on the second support we discussed yesterday. First of all, let's have a look at the chart of DXY, which is the US dollar currency index. As we know it very well that for the last couple of weeks DXY or US dollar index is inside a range. Overall, the market is under the dominance of sellers, but right now DXY is trading inside a range and we have a very crucial level of 100.80 as the last support, and DXY is fighting for the last couple of days and weeks to survive, to sustain above the crucial support of 100.80. And yesterday we saw that there was some good amount of recovery, but is this a trend reversal? No, this is not a trend reversal. If DXY really wants to recover, if there should be any trend reversal, then it will have to cross 102.40. So 102.40 and 100.80 is the range of DXY. And DXY, okay, if really wants to give us a trending market, okay, then it will have to cross 100.80 or it will have to cross 102.40. So let's wait and watch how DXY reacts next week. But overall, the market has been very boring for the last couple of days because of this range bound market. Now let's look at the chart of Euro USD. And my dear friends, before I proceed, I would like to mention that the world's most affordable forex trading workshop is back again. I'm conducting the workshop after 2 months. I conduct the workshop in both Hindi and English language. This workshop is not for complete beginners. It is designed for mostly for those people who have been struggling with the market for a couple of months and years. That's why I have shared a question here so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. And I have also shared my story so that you can understand that my journey was also tough too. How was my journey? And nothing is impossible. And the best part is that it's a 3 days workshop, and after the 3 days workshop you will also receive support for 1 month. So these are the 10 benefits you will be receiving after the workshop. So feel free to check out the link in the description because the price is only $15, $15 or 1,000 rupees for Indians for 3 days workshop and 1 month support. Isn't the price unbelievable? So my dear friends, feel free to check out the link in the description. Hopefully you'll love it. You'll find all the details on the website. Now let's talk about Euro USD. So Euro USD right now standing at 1.0924. This is the current market price here. And as we can see that Euro USD is standing on the second support level that we discussed yesterday. The level of 1.0910, 1.0920. This was the support level we discussed yesterday. So during the day there is a possibility, yes, during the day there is a possibility that market will show some upside, and if you already have taken a buy position, you can keep your target around this level, around 1.0955. Around 1.0955 you can keep your target because the 200 moving average, which was acting as a previous dynamic support, will now be acting as the new dynamic resistance. So as a result, you can keep your target around or TP around 1.0955. So for Friday, this is the resistance for us. If market hits the level, observe the market on 1 hour time frame, 15 minutes time frame. If market shows price rejection from above, you can definitely look for a sell position around this area because the previous support will be acting as the new resistance. And on the other hand, if market starts falling, because yes, there is a good possibility, in our previous videos we have discussed about the possibility of a fresh downside because of market forming lower highs Though market is sideways, market is choppy, but recently market has been forming lower highs, which signifies that the buyers in the market are slowly losing their strength. And moreover, market is also forming lower lows, so which is not a good sign for buyers. So yes, there is a further downside possible on Euro USD. And if market starts falling, then you can also look for support around 1.0875. If market takes support around 1.0875, observe the market. Hopefully market will get a required support. If market takes support, shows price rejection from below, you'll get a confirmation that support is working. Buyers in the market have the strength to take the market up, and you can look for a buy position. Okay, so these are the two trading opportunities that I see on the chart of USD right now. You can look for a sell here, you can look for a buy here. And one more thing I would like to add here is that if we go to weekly chart, in my previous videos I discussed that on the weekly chart, market is forming dojis and spinning tops for the last 3 weeks. And right now we can see that after long 3 weeks, after a long 3 weeks of indecision, okay, finally we can see the market is going down. There is a possibility that in the coming days also we may get to see some weakness on the chart of Euro USD. Weakness on Euro USD means recovery on the chart of DXY. So let's wait and watch. The weekly closing will be very important. So that we can come to know what will happen next week. So do not expect huge profit from the Euro USD right now. Okay, as I can see that volatility of the market is quite low. So you can expect a profit of 20, 25, 30 pips only. Okay, because volatility of the market decides a lot of things. And if you look at the forexfactory.com, then you can see that today also we have some news on GBP, and we also have got some news on US dollar. This is not a major event, so as a result I am not hoping to see some crazy moves. There may be some volatility for one candle or two candles, but there should not be any trend reversal kind of an effect on the market. Let's wait and watch. And my dear friends, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, so follow proper risk management. No trade is 100% accurate, so keep your capital safe. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. And if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income, you can definitely consider joining the Pro Trader program and the 3 days workshop. The workshop is a part of the Pro Trader program. Okay, hopefully I'll be able to give a direction to your journey. Okay. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow again.